Jo, happy birthday. Sorry, hindi ako makapunta dyan gawa ng work, but it doesn't mean na nakalimutan ko yung birthday mo. Sa mga susunod na araw, mga susunod na taon, sa mga susunod na celebration, sana makasama ako to celebrate your birthday. Well, thank you for the friendship. Wala tayong time together ngayon dahil magkaiba tayo ng lugar, magkaiba tayo ng work. Pero the friendship will still stay. Happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka. Maging masaya ka lagi. Lalo na sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo. Sana masaya ka. Sa mga bagay na na-achieve mo. Sana masaya ka. At sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo, sana masaya ka. Sa trabaho meron ka ngayon, sana masaya ka. I'm so blessed to have someone like you na kaibigan ko. Kahit na madalas nakakalimot ka, still yung friendship natin will always stay. Anyway, happy birthday ulit. Love you.
Hello Minda! Happy birthday! Gusto lang kitang batiin ng maligayang kaarawan sa iyo dahil birthday mo ngayon. Sana masaya ka at ma-enjoy mo yung mga pasurpresa ni Emmalyn sa iyo. Wish ko lang sa iyo is sana good health lagi. More birthdays to come and sana marami pang banding na magkakasama tayo para happy lang. God bless and see you! Bye!
Kumusta? Happy birthday! More boyfriends to come. Hindi pala, more birthdays to come. Tapos, invite mo ako kung may pagkain damihan mo para makapag-take out ulit. Namimiss ko na mag-take out Okay? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Minda.
Hi, Minda. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. At saka more fats to come. Just lang. Bigyan mo ako ng fats mo. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Juminda. I hope you have a great day today and the year ahead is full of many blessings.
Hi, Minda. Happy birthday. Sana ma-enjoy mo ang iyong kaarawan. Wish ko sana bigyan ka na ni Lord ng mapapangasawa and more birthday to come. God bless you.
Hi Minda, happy birthday. I just want you to give me a happy birthday. God bless and stay safe, stay pretty, stay beautiful, and stay as you are. Thank you for being a good friend to us and enjoy your birthday. I love you.
Hi, my friend. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Stay pretty. Dili mag-live mag-video ko kay unsa birthday sa akong friend.
Hi Minda, happy birthday.
Hi po Minda. Sana kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday narating sa'yo. Good health ka lang lagi. Ingat. God bless and ingat palagi. Thank you.
Hi Minda, happy birthday. Hi Minda, how are you? Happy birthday. Okay.
Hi Minda, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Lots of luck.
Hi Minda, how are you? Happy birthday.
Hey Day, happy birthday.
Hi, Day. Happy birthday. Sana magkakaroon ng kaarawan mo. Happy birthday, Day. Love you.
Hi, happy birthday, Minda. How are you? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Minda.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing again.